So this next song is a song called Champagne in the Rain, and it's basically, the idea is it's like meeting an ex a couple of years after the event, and it's still good, but it's not as good. So it's like drinking champagne in the rain. It's good, but it's not as good as drinking champagne in the sunshine. So you had your chance at our romance, but you threw it away. You had your chance at our romance, but that was yesterday. And funny now you're standing here, you want to make amends. Well honey, when I see you now, it's through a different lens. We'll drink champagne in the rain, my friend. We'll drink champagne in the rain once again. And even after all this time, you knew that I'd still care. I'm thankful for the times we had and all the fun we shared. No matter what you tell me now, will never be enough. I'm stealing back the pennies from the fountain of our love. We'll drink champagne in the rain, my friend. We'll drink champagne in the rain once again. My broken heart can't live without you. To thine own self be true. I'm smiling at the memories while scrolling on my phone. You know I'm always here for you. You'll never be alone. We won't be more than just good friends. Maybe that's okay. We're always gonna be each other's one that got away. We'll drink champagne in the rain, my friend. We'll drink champagne in the rain once again. My broken heart can't live without you. To thine own self be true. I said my broken heart can't live without you. That's what I